we're really excited to bring this fight here, but really bring this card, this event here.
The gangster will cause mayhem and havoc, but the king will be on top.
It's one of the rare times that you have two fighters at the top of their game, young, and that fights the way they do to match up like that.
No, you know, Amir will come out and he will train like a challenger. He will make sure he keeps the belts. He'll be 110% focused on the fight.
Thank you, Amir, for being here and giving us time. Tell us about your expectations from the fight. First time in DC with Lamont. After 18 years, the fight is happening in DC. All these big things. What's your feeling?
It's going to be first of all, I'm going to say, you know, it's going to be a massive fight in Washington, and the crowd and the fans here have been brilliant. So many people, I didn't know I had so many fans in Washington. It's definitely going to be a sellout regardless. So everyone out there should come and buy the tickets quickly. I met Lamont Peterson today in the press conference. I mean, nice guy. You've got two nice guys in the ring, but it's going to be, you know, once the gloves are on and we're in the boxing ring, it's going to be a different story. Maybe I have to be the bad guy. I don't mind, but you know, we can't have two nice guys in the ring.
Do you think the hometown advantage is going to help you a little bit or somehow?
Yeah, it'll help me, but I don't want them to, you know, hype me up too much. Whereas though I'm just in there fighting and not thinking, because it is a thinking man's sport. So I need the, you know, their energy, but not too much of it. I would like, you know, I'm a thinker in the ring, so, you know, I need for things to be calm and, you know, just for me to do what I need to do to win the fight.
What do you think his strength is in here?
Lamont's very experienced, you know, he's a very calm fighter. He has good defense, also quite quick, and the power. And I think to beat that is to be very smart, stick to a game plan, be smart, not to make mistakes, because if I make a mistake, then Lamont's going to jump on that and catch me. So, you know, we just have to be one step ahead of him in the fight. And I will speak to my trainer, Freddie Roach, yesterday, and he said to me, you know, as long as I listen to instructions from the corner, this fight will be not an easy fight, but it'll be a fight that we can win.
He is a great guy, you know, and everything that I, you know, have seen about him, that I know about him, and I cheered for him on many occasions, you know, I like him. But of course, this is business. It don't have nothing to do with likes or dislikes. You got to get the job done. You know, unfortunately, they chose DC, and I think DC is going to be that pit. And Lamont Peterson, if you know him, man, never been a pushover. He's been a champ his whole life. So I think it's going to be real rough for him down the stretch.
He has the power to unseat the superstar, and he's going to have the hometown advantage and the hometown crowd behind him, and that is Lamont Peterson.
What do you think Amir's biggest strength is, in your opinion, and what's your strength is?
His biggest strength is his speed. You know, he has really fast hands, and but you know, my plan is to, you know, on dealing with that is, you know, just timing. You know, timing beats speed, you know, all the time. So, you know, and my strength is, you know, I work the body really, really well, and I haven't seen anyone try, you know, to go to Khan's body, so we'll see how he deals with that.
He lives in Washington, D.C., and the fight's going to be in Washington, so he's going to be very confident in this fight. He's going to have his own support. But I'm sure I've met so many Pakistanis here, Indians, Desi people. Also, a lot of fans from New York are going to be traveling over to D.C. to see this fight. I really think I will have more fans than him, especially with the Muslim community. I mean, I honestly think we'll have a lot more fans than Lamont, even though he lives in Washington.
Oh yeah, it'll be a real rough fight for the both of us, I believe. Whoever wins the fight will definitely earn the victory. It will not be a gimme fight where it's, you know, it was like one-sided. We're both going to be working hard for a victory.
You want to say anything to your fans back in home Pakistan, back in England?
I just want to say to them, thank you for all the support they've been giving me. You know, I'm only 24, and you know, I want to thank Allah for all the success He's given me. I was in. My ambition is to, you know, one day be on the same level as Muhammad Ali, and you know, to achieve what he achieved in this sport of boxing. But you know, it's so great, you know, to go to a place like New York and Washington and meet so many Muslim people, Pakistani people who know you. I mean, I didn't know I had fans in Washington. I didn't know I had fans in New York, and it just makes you happy. You know, something you're doing is being you know, you get the respect for it. That's why I love my fans around the world, and you know, I can't wait to see them on December 10th. I'm going to make sure I put on a good performance and they all go home happy. So that's what I want to do. And also the fans in Pakistan as well who be watching the fight on TV. I just want to send my regards to them, and I'm going to put on a good fight on for them as well. Thank you.